Yeah, you talking loud. Got a whole lot of words falling out, yeah, run your mouth. Take your whole deeper go, baby, go and show yourself. Play your game, I'll be patient, be waiting till time runs out. Getting close now. All the stories that you tell with a beautiful imagination. Should you tell them about where you've been, who you're with, yeah, okay then. You go ahead and why don't you give it up? What's your name? Is it love? Just a phase? No, I'll keep it up. You were at your mother's, your brother's, whatever. I've had enough, but I guess I'll let you finish up. All the stories that you tell with a beautiful imagination. And you should've tell them about where you've been, who you're with, yeah, okay then. You go ahead and yeah, go ahead and it's you, excuse me, one more before I walk away. Yeah, go ahead. It's you, excuse me, one more before I walk away.